Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Luxe Party Favors by Nikki, and this is week 3 of Party Favors 101, where I do tutorials of quick and simple wrapping of party favors, especially for those new party favor creators or just for those who want to create items for their friends and family. I have already done Pringles, we've done applesauce pouches and Capri Suns, and today we are going to be wrapping Welch's fruit snacks, but the same techniques can also be used for pretty much any type of fruit snacks as long as it's around the same size. And this is 0.8 ounces, so if you have other fruit snacks that are like the same size as this, let's see, where's my ruler? Maybe I can measure it really quickly. Let me grab my ruler. Okay, these Welch's fruit snacks are about 3.5 inches, about 3.5 inches by 3 inches. So if you have a package that's the same size, you can use the same technique. Anyway, you can use the same technique for pretty much anything. What I'm going to show you today is how I wrap the majority of my party favors. And of course, I do have the digital versions available for you if you would like to just purchase the digitals and print it and start assembling. I try to make it easy for everybody. So that's one thing you don't have to worry about because I love designing. Okay, let's go ahead and get this party started. I'm gonna bring you in closer. It's a little gloomy today, so it's not as bright and pretty as it normally is, but it's okay. Okay, so first thing you wanna do is cut out the actual wrapper. And this is just a mock-up wrapper. That's why it doesn't have a name or an age on here. I would normally have a name on here and then a number depending on the age of the little customer or the age of the party girl. And I have 2 different versions of this specific package available. I have the curly girl Barbie, and then I have just, you know, Barbie. Just to, you know, offer some proper representation for all the little Barbies. Okay, so that's easy enough. All right, next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna fold right on the seams. And everyone does their party favors different ways. I've seen where I like to have mine completely ready to go so I can just put the snack right inside. But I've seen where folks will fold it and then go ahead and put their package in and then wrap it around like that. And I only do that when I am doing my Lay's chip bags because the chip bags are puffy and they can't just slide right in. So that's the only way that I can actually wrap them, by doing it that way. But for everything else, this is how I assemble. Okay, so after that, I'm going to take my adhesive tape or my glue tape, permanent tape, whatever you call it, and I'm going to go across the bottom. Ooh, it's sticky. And then I'm going to go across the side that I'm going to overlap. So I'm going to overlap it with this flap right here. Only one side. Don't do both because otherwise they're gonna stick. Both stick to the inside, and then you won't be able to open it. Okay, so now the flap that does not have the adhesive, this stuff is sticky, by the way. Sorry for the shaking, but it'll stick to your table. The side that does not have the adhesive, you want to fold it in right on along the bottom. And it's okay if it's not even because we're gonna cut the top off when we use our crimpy scissors. And then the side with the adhesive, fold it right on top. Okay. Bada bing, bada boom. You can also put a little message on the back as well. Add your QR code, and that's what I normally do. But again, this is just a mock-up. Okay, so let's go to the next step. All right, I'm gonna take my crimper. I'm gonna crimp the bottom, the side that has the adhesive on it, just a little. And I'm also going to crimp the top, the side that does not have the adhesive on it. And so I crimp the top because when I use my glue gun, because I'm going to use the glue gun on the inside, if I put the glue on, sometimes this happens, not all the time. If I put the glue on before I crimp, sometimes when I crimp it, it'll break the paper if the glue's too hard. So I just like to crimp it ahead of time. Okay. And now we're going to use our crimpy scissors to just take a little off the bottom. Don't take too much off because you don't want to accidentally cut it up too high and then you don't have any more adhesive and then the bottom of your package is open. And so I kind of like, I like to create the party favor so that it looks like the actual package. You know, if it has the crimps in the zigzags, that's what I like to do. If it just has the crimps, that's what I like to do. Okay, so now we're just gonna go ahead and put it inside. I do like to fold it so that it slides in without issue. I may have to maneuver it around a little bit so that it fits. Sometimes that helps to get it to the bottom. Okay, so now we're gonna take the glue gun. I'm gonna have to warm it back up. So once that warms up, I will come back and show you the rest. All right, my glue was hot. My glue was hot, hot, hot. Okay, so I like to put it along the bottom. I mean, not the bottom, the back. Just some smidge and quickly seal it, align it while it still has some maneuverability. I actually may be able to crimp this again because it doesn't feel like it's too thick or anything. Let me see. Oh, that actually worked without using, oh, no, see, look, you see, let me bring it in close. You see that little piece right there? That's why I don't like to crimp it after I glue it, because sometimes the glue will harden and then it gives you that little mark. So, hello, crimpy scissors. Let's go ahead and like cut above that without cutting off the glue. And there you have it, my friends. There you have it. Cute, simple snack pack for parties, for get-togethers, for pretty much anything. All right, I'm gonna bring you out again. Okay, my friends, that is it for week 3 of Party Favors 101, where we made some adorable Welch's fruit snack packages. And again, I will link everything that I use. It's gonna be in my link tree, so you can have everything that I have ever purchased for Party Favors, and you'll see the other items that I use in the link tree links as well, like the glue gun, the crimper, the scissors, the sticky tape, all that jazz, and of course the paper. And I will also provide a link to my shops where you can purchase this Curly Girl Barbie template and the Barbie template as well. So there you have it, my friends. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial and you enjoy hanging out with me, please feel free to subscribe, tell a friend, share, like, and of course, when you like, it tells the algorithm that you want to see more of me, and it also helps to spread the word. So I appreciate it. Have a beautiful day.